Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly on your iPhone to write a clear and strong introduction step by step in very simple terms. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Grammarly app. Tap the plus button or open a new doc where you want to write your introduction. Begin typing your idea for introduction. Don't worry about being perfect, just write a basic sentence. Sometimes, like social media has changed the way people communicate. This gives Grammarly something to help you with. In the bottom right corner, tap the green sparkle icon. This opens Grammarly Assistant, which helps improving your writing. Grammarly will suggest for clarity, tone, grammar, consequences. Tap on the green accept button to accept each suggestion. To build a better introduction, Grammarly suggests adding context, making the option sentence stronger, improving the flow, changing weak words. Just follow the suggestions one by one until your introduction is polished. If you want a more powerful intro, highlight your sentence, then tap rewrite. If available, Grammarly will create improved version that you can choose from. Pick the one you like and paste it into your introduction. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.